Is it working? Today the poem, So Cruel Prison, Alas, Betide, Alas. This is a poem which is written by Surrey. So cruel prison, alas, betide, alas. The title of the poem is also suggestive. It is also suggesting the mood of the poem. First I will read the whole poem. After this I will tell you what is the theme in this poem. And after this I will translate it into English, line to line. So cruel prison, how could betide, alas, as proud Windsor where I am lost in joy. Where the king's son my childish year did pass, I in greatest feast than Prame's sons of Troy. Where each sweet place returns the feastful soul, the large green course where we were wont to woo, with eyes cast up unto the maiden's tower and easy sighs such as folk draw in love. The stately seats the ladies bright of you, the dancers short long tales of great delight, with words and looks that tigers could be you, or with where each of us did believe the others right. The palm play, where despoiled for the game, the dazed eyes oft weep by gleams of love, have missed the ball and God sight of our dame, to beat her eyes with which kept the leads above. The gravel ground with leaves tied on the hind, on foaming horse with swords and friendly herds, which she, as though one should another wham, where we have fought and chased oft with darts. The silver drops the meat yet spread for wrath, in active games of the nimblance and stint, where we did steam, travelled by swarms of youth, our tender limbs that yet shot up in length. The secret groves which oft we made resound, a pleasant plaint and our ladies' praise, a recording soft what grief each one had found, what hope of speed, what dread of long delays. The wild forest, the closed halt with green, with groins availed and soft, but breathed hoarse, with cry of hounds and merry blasts between, where we did chase the fearful hearts of foes. The road walls eke that harbored us each night, wherewith alas revived in my breast the sweet cold such sleeps as yet delight, the present dreams the quiet bed of rest, the secret thoughts imported with such thirst, the wanton talk the divers, change of play, the friendship sworn, each promise kept so just, wherewith we passed the winter nights away, and with this sought the blood forsakes my face, the tears bedew my cheeks of deadly hue, the which, as soon as certain sighs of loss up sucked, has thus I may plaint renew. O place of bliss, renewer of my views, give me account where is my noble feet. Home and guy was thou didst each night enclose to other life, but unto me most dear. Echo allows that doth my sorrow view, returns to a hollow sound of plaint. Thus I, around where all my freedom bear, in prison time the poundage and restraint, and with the remembrance of the greater grief, to vanish the less I find my chief relief. इस पोएम में पोएट अपने चाइल्डहुड को याद करता है, अपने बॉयहुड को याद करता है और अपने यूथ को याद करता है, जो उसने फिजरॉय द सन ऑफ हेनरी VIII के साथ गुजारे हैं। वो सारी यादें उसको अभी कासल की प्रिजन के अंदर बैठकर याद आ रही हैं। फिजरॉय की डेथ के बाद हेनरी VIII ने सूर्य को केज कर लिया है, कैद कर लिया है। उस पर चार्ज है, प्रिजन का चार्ज है, गद्दारी की। याद कर रहा है कि किस तरह मैं और फिजरॉय आपस में गेम्स खेलते थे, अंडरवेयर पहने हुए होते थे, पार्लर में से गुजरते थे कासल के, और फिर हम लड़कियों पर निगाहें रखते थे, लड़कियां हमें देखती थी, हम उनकी मोहब्बत में गिरफ्तार हो गए। और फिजरॉय जो है वो मेरी सिस्टर से मोहब्बत करता था और उसकी उससे शादी होने वाली थी। वो मुझे विस्परिंग करके बताता था, मैं अपनी बिलवेड के बारे में विस्परिंग उसको सुनाता था, और हम कई पार्लर में जहाँ जी जाता सो जाते, और फिर जिस वक्त जी जाता हम स्वॉर्ड के साथ लड़ना शुरू कर देते और लड़ाई करते, झूठ मूठ की, और ऐसे लड़ाई करते जैसे हम दुश्मन। इसके अलावा भी वो जिंदगी को एंजॉय करते थे, लेकिन वो मर गया है फिजरॉय, और ये कैद में है। तमाम मेमोरीज इसको हॉन्ट कर रही हैं, याद आ रही हैं, और ये कहता है आई एम अलोन, और यहाँ पर मैं सफरिंग के अंदर हूँ आज। और दुख की बात यह है कि वही पैलेस है जहाँ पर मैं एंजॉय किया करता था लाइफ को, जहाँ पर मेरी एट्रीब्यूटेड लाइफ होती थी, शाहाना लाइफ होती थी। आज वही लाइफ, वही उसी कैद खाने में मेरी जिंदगी इंतहाई दुखी है, तकलीफ दे है। क्लियर? Now, the cruel prison, how could be tied, alas? The cruel prison, how you came on me, how I am caged in this prison. It is surprising sentence that now I am in cage. As proud Windsor, that is the same proud attributed Windsor, where I in lust and joy, where I have passed my youth, my lust, and where I got my joy, with a king's son, and I was with king's son. My childish years did pass. My all the years of childhood passed with the king's son, and I have enjoyed a lot of things over there. I was too much happy in this proud Windsor, in this palace. In greatest feast did prince son of Troy. Troy is the city of Greece, यूनान का शहर है। Troy was a happy, healthy city in its youth, you can say. You have seen the movie Helen of Troy. Troy was a strong palace, strong castle was that. He is saying that I had enjoyed the best meals in this palace of Windsor. I enjoyed the meals as the kings and princes of Troy enjoyed the meals. He is comparing his meals with the princes of Troy. He was saying that he was as happy as the kings and princes, dukes and duchesses of the Troy were happy. The rich sweet palace returns a tasteful sour, and everywhere in the castle, every place, every portion holds a different kind of taste. Every portion was good, beautiful, and different in its mood. The large green courts, there were large courts. They were full of green, lush green lawns. There we were wont to hope, and there we do our wandering, with eyes cast up unto the maid's tower, and we usually take glance of the parlors where women lived we used to enjoy the portions of women in this palace, and easy sighs such as folk draw in love. And by watching the women's grace, by watching the women's colors, we also take deep sigh, as the lovers do. The stately seats, and there were many places for us to sit and to watch, to sit and to watch, and to sit to enjoy. There were thrones, beautiful thrones. There were beautiful sitting places. The least bright of you, where ladies haunted, come and go in front of us. There were sitting places for them, and where they used to sit, and in front of them the men came and go, girls came and go. These girls were very beautiful, bright, hue bright. The dance is short, and they also enjoy dance parties, long tales of great delight, and they also used to enjoy the delights of tales, stories, with words and looks that tigers could but do, and we can watch the beautiful and upright girls who came in front of us and go. They used to sit on a throne. In front of the throne there would be girls, and they danced over there, and they used to stand over there. They enjoyed their beauty and grace, where each of us did please the other's right, and we always discussed the rights of others. We enjoyed our beloved's rights, and maybe as a lover they discuss the rights. That is not very conscious sentence. The palm play, and we used to play over there. Palm play is a game actually. We are despoiled for the game. We have to wear off our dress there. We put our dress, wear off our dress. Only they wore underwear and maybe with hosiery, such a thing. They becomes in shorts to play this game with dazzled eyes after me by gleams of love. And we always have the surprising eyes. We have the surprising eyes, and in our surprising eyes there is a tint of love is over there. The color of love was in our eyes. Now he's saying that we used to play games, and in games we used to wear shorts, very short dress. And during this dress, in this dress, we did not concentrate on our play and on our game. That was just a lame excuse. They just play the game, but actually their purpose of game is that to enjoy their beloved's glances. Whenever they come into the arena, they come into the ground to play, their beloved suddenly appeared on the scene, and they played less and enjoyed the attraction, enjoyed the glances of the girls more, beloveds more. Have missed the ball, and if we miss the ball, then we also discuss about it and got sight of our team, and we didn't go into the ball, but we enjoyed the glance of our beloveds to bait her eyes, and we try to bait their eyes, to attract, to drew their eyes, which kept the leaves above. Now he is saying that we used to play game, we used to go to ball, but our purpose in playing a game or our purpose in going to ball was only that to attract, to enjoy their beloveds. The gravel ground, the sleeves tied on the hand, and we reach into the ground, and we turn off our sleeves, and we wear our hands, mean something cap like something helmet is over there. We wrote on the rode our horses. They are now on their horses and they are playing sword fighting. Our foaming horse, the horses are foaming in their mouths, the swords and friendly horse, and we have swords in our hands, but actually we are friends, which he, as one should another well, but we fight like enemies, where we have fought and chased off with dots, and we chase to each other and fight with each other like dogs, like enemies. Even though we were friends, but we fought with each other are like enemies. The silver drops the mead yet spread for youth. Inactive games of nimbleness and strength, where we would stand, trailed by swarms of youth, our tender limbs that yet shot up in length. He is saying that we used to play games, and in playing games and in fighting, we popped into sweat. We became wet. We became exhausted, and our whole body became very tender, and our limbs become stretched, and we enjoyed this warm game. The whole summary of this paragraph is that this stanza holds the only idea is that there was a game, and in game they drenched into their sweat, drenched in sweat, okay, and their body become tender. The next para, the next stanza, the sacred groves which oft we made resound. We used to go into the forest, groves, a pleasant plaint, and Our Lady's praise. There, everything is very pleasant. The trees are beautiful, lush green, and there in this grove, we used to enjoy the whispering about our beloveds. We praised the ladies, recording soft what grace each one had found, and we also discussed, shared what the grace we had found in the ladies, what hope of speed, and they also remain hopeful, and they also feel the time passed fastly, so they can approach, they can gain their beloved. And what dread of long delays, and they also discuss about the dread. There may be delayed in their wedding, in their meeting with the beloveds. The wild forest, the cloth housed with green, and forests were wild. Twisted trees were over there, and all the trees were clothed in green, less green cloths, with drawings veiled and swift, ye breathed horse. And we had our horses in the grove, in the forest. We used to ride on our horses with keeping reins in hand, with cry of hounds and merry blasts between. And we used to ride on horse, and with us there also we had some hounds, some dogs for hunting, where we did chase a fearful horde of foes, and we used to hunt over there. In this stanza, he tells us that they used to go in forest, and there they used to hunt the deer, stag, or something else. The road was weak. The harbored us each night, and all the day we do hunting, and after our tired body, we reached into the parlors, into the rooms, into the palace walls, where we harbored ourselves after too much travel, where with the loss reviveth in my breast. Oh my God, what I am remembering! All the things are coming in the memory. Now, the sweet record And all these memories are very sweet. Such sleeps as yet delight, and sleeps were really sleeps, and I enjoyed the delightful slumbers. In this palace, the pleasant dreams were over there, the quiet bed of rest was over there. The secret thoughts imparted with such trust. Now all the secret thoughts are gone now. The one-tone talk, all the discussion is gone. The diverse change of play, every game is now changed. The friendship shown, and we have shown. We plugged with each other. With both friends, we were fast friends, and we plugged many times to each other. Each promise kept so just. We were fair in our dealing. Wherewith we passed the winter night away, and we used to pass the winter night away and far from the games, places, territory. In this paragraph, he says that we were trusted friends, and we have all discussions. We shared all our secrets with each other. We were trusted one, and we had promised many times to each other, even though far from our palace, we remained faithful to each other. He is talking about his friend, Frederick. And with this thought, the blood forsakes my face. And as I am thinking about this memory, now my face is fed. The tears bereen my cheeks of deadly hue. Now I am really faded and in deadly skeleton. Now there is rain of tears on my cheeks. My eyes are wet. For which, as soon as sobbing sighs the last, now I am sobbing, I'm sighing, now I am mourning, lamenting, upset, thus I may plaint renew. So I am thinking, my renewal, how can I make my renewal, as my friend is not with me, how can I be happy again? Oh, place of bliss, renew of my woes. The place of bliss, this Windsor is a place of bliss. That's a grand place. And this place is renewing my woes only. It is giving me again the grief, because when I used to see this place, this palace, this castle, I come to know that there is a place, once that was my own place, that was a place for prayer. Now this is a place where I can only seek the troubles, the memories. I can only seek the sad thoughts. Give me I come to where is my noble fare. Tell me where is my friend is gone, where my noble days are gone. Home in thy walls thou didst each night enclose, and all memories are enclosed in the chest of these walls. To other leave, but unto me most dear. Maybe the other one did not know the importance of this Windsor, but this Windsor is very important for me, because my all memories are caged here. Echo, alas, that doth my sorrow. And these sorrows are echoing over there. Return there to the hollow sound of plaint, and the all grounds are also giving howl to me. Thus I alone. So all grounds are howling over there. There is nothing for me now, even though the memories are over there. But the poet is too much sad, and he is disappointed because his friend is not here with him anymore. So he is sad. He is saying that this place has no importance for him, because that's a deserted place, because without his friend he has nothing now in his palace. Thus I alone, he is alone here, where all my freedom grew, and there once I was free. In prison fine, now with bondage and chains. Now I am in prison. Here there are restraints on me, restrictions on me. As he is in prison, there must be some restrictions. And with remembrance of the great grief, and I am remembering this grief now, to banish the less, I find my chief relief. So I can't go anywhere. but no one can cage my thoughts. My body is in cage, my body is in prison, but my thoughts are not vanished. They are free. They are free to think anything. सुनाई सकते